Hi viewers, in today's video let us discuss about backache during pregnancy. Now let us see the causes and the techniques how to handle this back pain during pregnancy. This is a very common problem affecting nearly 50%, that is half of the pregnant mothers, which can make her more tired and worried during this wonderful period. Fatigue, muscle spasms, or postural back strain most often is responsible for back pain. Sometimes it may also happen due to faulty postures and high-heeled shoes. Muscular spasm, urinary infection, and constipation can also contribute to backache during pregnancy. The backbone usually becomes more soft and flexible due to the hormone progesterone, which is secreted in a higher amount during pregnancy, which causes postural changes, and also the weight of the growing fetus causes an increase in the back pain during pregnancies. There are a lot of physiological changes during pregnancy which affects almost all the systems of our body. The physiological changes that contribute to backache are joint ligament laxity, which is due to the hormones relaxin and estrogen. The weight gain during pregnancy, hyperlordosis and anterior tilt of the pelvis also contribute to backache during pregnancies. The most common reason for excessive weight gain in pregnancy is eating too much. Excessive weight gain should be avoided to decrease the back pain during pregnancy. There is a usual saying that a pregnant mother is supposed to eat for two. Here you have to mark the point of doubling the quality of food and not the quantity of food. The food must contain adequate amount of micro and macronutrients to help the growing fetus and not to increase the weight of the mother. Improvement in posture is often achieved by wearing low-heeled shoes that may decrease the back pain of the mother. This is an excellent picture to tell you the correct posture you have to follow during sitting in pregnancy. To achieve the proper posture, the abdomen should be flattened, the pelvis tilted forward, and the buttocks should be tucked under to straighten the back. This will hold your spine more upright and thereby preventing back pain. Pelvic girdle belts are available in the market that can help to correct the lumbar lordosis to decrease the back pain. Encourage the mother to rest on firm mattress or hard beds that can hold the position of the spine correctly and thereby preventing back pain. Back massages are very effective in decreasing the back pain. Your partners or any of your family members can perform back massages under the supervision of a rehabilitation physician, an orthopedist, or a physical therapist. There are few poses in yoga that can help straighten your spine during pregnancy, especially the cat or the cow pose can make you more comfortable after back pain. You can also practice these type of exercises to straighten up your spine and also can cause extension of the muscles which can decrease the pain levels. Stretching exercises which will definitely help you to decrease the back pain. If you are going to follow all these management techniques, definitely there will be an improvement in the pain levels, or you have to check for neurological signs and symptoms which is indicative of prolapsed intervertebral disc syndrome or radiculitis. Thanks for watching.